RDA has a lot of shortage of staff. Different schemes have got different staff, and the staff which were taken around 15 years back, some of them have crossed ages. So we have nearly around 34 staff which are vacant, and some entire South Goa has only one junior engineer. So we cannot do justice to all the South Goa constituencies. So we have asked for 12 junior engineers, which Chief Minister has approved today for South and North. 7 for North and 5 for South. So which he has approved 8. So we'll give 4 for each. 4 for North, 4 for South. So immediately we'll put up the file and take it on contract basis how GSIDC is working.
Any other issues that
34 staff also will be taken to work on various schemes of central government.
Because of this shortage of staff, major development works have stopped.
100%. Work cannot be taken up. How all the MLAs were complaining to me that our estimates have not been prepared, our sanction is not happening. We have got funding from central government as well as state government. Right now we have around 9 crores with us, but we cannot take up work because there is absolutely no staff to work.
So yeah, kitla began get.
See, I will see that within 1 month we will get this sanction, and in 2 months recruitment of on contract basis will happen. Okay. Because contract basis recruitment is directly with us. Okay. Because that contract basis recruitment will be for 5 years and renewable. So main of DRDA was staff issue. Secondly, we had a meeting of national highway as far as Porvorim is concerned, and villagers of Porvorim along with the Sarpanch and our North Goa president of BJP, block president of BJP of Porvorim constituency had come to visit CM with regards to continuation of Atal Setu up to Pintruzar hospital. That is up to Giri highway. So the highway is designed as 6 laning, and what we are looking at is 4 laning on top and 2 laning below. So in this way, if it can be done, it would save a lot of property of our Goan people. There are 3-4 schools within that vicinity. Then there are hospitals within the vicinity, and building a 6 lane with 3 pillars, 2 right at the edge and 1 in the middle, 2 in the middle, is going to only disturb the smooth flow of the traffic below. So what we are proposing is a single pillar in the middle, which can take 4 laning on top and 2 laning below.
So these are changes you all are what I
We are proposing changes from 6 lane to 4 lane on top.
Oh.
So Chief Minister has heard them and assured them that another meeting will be held to bring out a final solution to this. But the National Highway has already prepared and done estimates and tender for 6 laning on that particular stretch.